The hell? What type of tape they using nowadays? And why they tape it like this? Yeah. Alright guys, it's the next day, but we do got the black in the back. It may not be the best thing in the world, but it definitely look better than that shit right there. So, we're gonna finish the front now.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Excuse me, we're gonna finish the front now. You know what I'm saying? I got the spoiler on the way, the high kick duckbill spoiler. There's a few little Amazon parts I ordered. We got these little eyelids coming because I really can't stand to see that for real. Not that it look bad, but with the black, it's gonna cut off the headlight and make it look a lot more aggressive up in the front. So that's what we're working on. We better get these wheels off, get them prepped, get them painted, and we're gonna see what it look like. Oh yeah, we're gonna be sequential, so I'm gonna have those coming soon, and then I'm gonna have the M-style mirror caps also with the wing coming very soon. So we're gonna throw those on when they get here. But yeah, we got work to do with this car. You already know we got work to do with this car, so I'm finna go crazy with it. We got the high kick duckbill spoiler. Put that on. Now we're gonna get right to the other shit. We got some pieces here. The pieces was hitting. What we got? What do we got? Tape strong as hell. The hell? What type of tape they using nowadays? Why they tape it like this? Man.
You've got to put some swaz on it, Gromit.
Alright, so we got the eyelid joint. I thought these was what the hell? I thought these was hard, but I guess not. They like silicone or something. Ain't even giving it no tape. It's not pre-cut, nothing. Oh no, it is. Okay, I'm tweaking. Okay, all right, yeah, we cool. Yeah, we cool. I thought I had to cut this joint in half. Oh, what the fuck? Then we got yeah, I guess what this is, the M-style mirror caps. Yeah. Gonna go in the car right now. Let me show y'all this right quick. We're gonna throw those eyelids on. I'm gonna get right with the video. These joints is long as hell. I didn't realize how long the headlight was.
A few years later.
Yeah. Way better already. Yeah, so we gonna pop that other one off real quick, just like we did this on the other side. See if I can do it without breaking the clips this time. I did, okay. Because I'm getting the sequential joints too, so I am gonna have to take them back off. I see you gotta unscrew this too. I should have just did that all at once for real, but whatever. Whatever. Pop this right back into place. There's a little spider in there. There's a little spider in there. Nice and easy. So boom. There we go. Already more aggressive. Yeah, man. So we got most of the cosmetics done. Got the splitter. I need to hit that little chip right there with some touch-up paint. But got her looking decent. I just got to close that wheel gap up, looking like a monster truck for real. And not for nothing, this diffuser right here was a little bit trickier than I thought. I ain't gonna hold, but I'm probably put some more screws, because it go into the two. There's like two holes that actually the bumper mounts to the frame. So the diffuser had the two holes in the same exact spot, but they can need a little bit more than that. And that little tape didn't help. That little 3M tape, it don't sit flush with the bumper, so it's like a little wacky. But I gotta we're gonna figure something out though. I didn't get a chance to record that because it was just me. You know, I could have used the mount, but I just wanted to get it on real quick. I didn't have a lot of time that day, but it is on there. And then next thing is, I think, like teen coils. I was gonna go coil overs, but I'm gonna just get some teen springs, like 1-inch drop, and then an exhaust.